I'm gonna show you how to do ringtones for your iPhone 3G and iPhone 3GS. Now, let's see. To get started, I'll put in iTunes, of course. Now, you want to pick a song, any song you want. Let's see, Mana right here. It's a good Mexican rock band. Now, you want to pick between 0 and 40 seconds. Now this is a good spot right here. Now you want to left click and put get info. Now go to options. If it's on summary, just click options. Check these two boxes. Then you just want to put the time. You gotta have semicolon, it's minutes. 118 to 150. Let's see how it went. Labios compartidos, labios, puedo compartir tus labios. Seems perfect. That's it. Now what you want to do is highlight the song you just did, and then go up here, go to Advanced, and then create ACC. It will make a little noise, which lets you know it's done. Now click it, then drag it to your desktop. Now you want to change the name to M4A to M4R. Now click the desktop, it will say, are you sure you want to change, blah 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 blah. Put use M4R. Now what you want to do is delete this file right here. Now move this into your music over here, and it will show into your ringtones, right? Labios compartidos, labios divididos. Now you just sync or just drag to your iPhone. Say sync in iPhone, right? Now go to ringtones and it will show. Labios compartidos, labios divididos. Now you just go to settings, sounds, and it should show up right there. If it's not, then you did it wrong. One more thing I forgot to mention. Go back to music, the one you chose, then get info. Then uncheck these two, because it will play the song from the minute you chose it. Then just click OK, and then you'll play it all.